Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Meghliana and welcome to this video. So today I am going to be sharing my March challenge, which was to become a morning person, specifically a 6 a.m. person. And जोश में बहुत बोला था मैंने कि I'm gonna join the 6 a.m. club guys, see you at 6 a.m. next month. But the struggle has been real, so today I'm going to be sharing all that happened in the month of March when I tried to wake myself up at 6 a.m. every morning.
It is literally 5:19 a.m. and I just washed my hair and did my workout and brushed my teeth. And nope, I'm not talking about doing all those things after waking up really early. I'm talking about doing those things before going to bed. My cycle is messed up and I really need to fix it.
Day 1. I struggled for reasons more than one. Take a look.
I'm so not used to sleeping early. It's like 2:11 a.m. right now. I'm wide awake. Like, I don't know what to do. But I'll try to go to sleep and hopefully I won't hate myself in the morning. So, good night. Guys, if this is so it's 7:10 right now. थोड़ा late हो गया, but still early. Maybe I'll sleep till like 7:30.
I woke up at 9 a.m. Fail. Day 2 was surprisingly really productive. I woke up not at 6 a.m. I woke up at 7.
Morning. यार मुझसे 6 बजे उठा ही नहीं जा रहा. I can't even hear the alarm for some reason.
But then I did my workout, I played with a cat, I watered my plants, did some household chores, I had breakfast, I practiced a little bit of Spanish and then I got distracted by YouTube. And then by 1 p.m. I was exhausted.
It's about 1 p.m. right now and I'm feeling a little tired already.
So till lunchtime, I took a little nap. The days felt like so much longer than usual.
It's just 2:30 right now and मेरे दिमाग में it's like at least 7 or 8 p.m. and दिन खत्म होना चाहिए अभी तक. Hopefully I can do it again tomorrow. Guys, it's about 9 p.m. I just had a shower and I am pretty much dead at this point. I'm so tired.
Finally, almost half a month in, I was able to hear my 6 a.m. alarm and wake up from it.
अभी sunrise भी नहीं हुआ है. I'm using my phone's flashlight. Part of me just wants to go back to bed and wake up. At least जब थोड़ी धूप आ जाए. It is the sunrise happening, but after lazing around for some time, I decided to finally get up. Step 1 would be to hydrate because I'm thirsty AF.
By this time, I really started getting used to drinking a lot of water. I used to be someone who would drink like a liter in 3 days. But abhi मैं सुबह I would drink, like the moment I got up, I would drink water. And then because I was doing my workout, I was watering my plants in the sun and everything, I would finish 1.5 liter ka bottle in the morning. And then throughout the day, I would sip a little bit of water because by then aadat ho gayi thi and my body started craving more and more water.
It's a beautiful morning. Look at my children. Good morning, children. This is why I love mornings, you know. Like, उठने में definitely problem होती है, but it's always so worth it. Definitely, I had to fight myself कि नहीं, we won't go back to bed. It's so peaceful. अब करते हैं थोड़ा सा workout and साफ सफाई has been done. Now I'ma go and shower. It's just 11:07 right now and मेरा 1.5 liter पानी is already done. Is my skin glowing yet? Am I glowing? I'm really late. Punctuality still needed to be worked on, but more on that in a bit. Spoiler alert, it gets better.
Hey guys, I'm live from Delhi University.
I was in no mood to wake up today, but an intense need to pee woke me up. And so I think पानी पीने के multiple benefits है. मेरा मन तो कर रहा है कि जाके मैं वापस सो जाऊँ. But what are we gonna do instead? I'm gonna pick this. This is already putting me in a good mood. Hi, good morning. It's been a few days that I've been consistently pushing myself to get out of bed in the morning. I don't know, it's probably subconsciously it's working where because I'm starting my day off more organized, so mera pura din is going comparatively more organized.
But with that said, not every day did I wake up with the same amount of intense motivation.
It's too early. My eyes are so dry. Can't even open them. Today I have zero motivation to work out. Ugh, करेंगे. We're going to do an intense one. Sweaty workout routine success. तो सुबह थोड़ा सा था, but I made it work. It is getting so much easier waking up at 6 o'clock too. It's like 6:20 right now and I'm up and I'm comfortably up. And it's getting easier, for sure. एक दिन होगा जब 6 o'clock we'll be out of bed. That's also going to happen. But अभी के लिए 6:20 works. I'm happy. Hi, good morning. Yesterday I was up till about 3 a.m. So I let myself sleep in till about like 8:30 today. So today I don't have time to do a full-on workout routine before I start work because it is a weekday. And I feel a chaotic energy, dude. Like I started really enjoying having that morning time to myself and beginning my day the way I want to. And today I don't have a lot of control over that. I don't feel very good about it, but I don't have much of a choice.
Now a morning routine is very important क्योंकि I woke up and I knew कि okay अभी मुझे पहले ब्रश करना है, मुझे पानी भरना है, पानी पीना है, वर्कआउट करना है, पौधों को पानी देना है. I have to come down, make my bed, take a bath, make breakfast, Spanish practice, all of that. So I knew कि what all I had to do rather than just waking up and be like अब क्या, अब मैं Instagram करूँ क्या. So that has a tendency to happen. I was always rushing to do my workout before leaving for any place. So I would like take half an hour, do my workout, shower and then get ready and then leave for whatever I had to. And obviously I would get late. No shit. Today is a monumental day in the entire duration of my existence. Today I got ready not on time but before time. Can you believe it? And I had time to do a little photo shoot for myself before leaving because I had मेरा workout हो गया था, मेरा shower हो गया था, मेरे को बस ready होना था. And like this never happens. This is amazing. The biggest benefit that I found of this whole experiment was that I was getting stuff out of the way. Like I was able to incorporate a workout routine.
I've also been doing my arms a little bit. Comparison में arms are like lagging behind, but I'm trying to work them a little bit. I think there is a little progress. Do I have abs now? And not a one-time thing, but I wake up with abs every morning. They go away by evening, but I have them every morning. Woohoo!
Daily shower routine, watering my plants routine.
Tomorrow and then I'm going to be sweaty. That's my alarm. It feels so good waking up before your alarm. On a normal day, I would still be like snoozing this one as well. So it feels really good that I'm up before it.
So as I already said, I started drinking a lot more water than normal.
कुछ और set होना हो, पानी पीना hopefully थोड़ा set हो गया है अब.
And I started feeling like I'm getting so much more work done within my 24 hours.
It's like 1 p.m. right now. मेरा workout हो गया है, hydration हो गया है, breakfast हो गया है, shower getting ready हो गया है, meeting हो गया है, and I'm back home. और अब हम करेंगे काम. Amazing stuff, dude. सबको सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. I feel like सबको जल्दी उठो, काम खत्म करो. It's amazing. Love this.
Breakfast was always a meal I always skipped. Most important meal of the day? No. That wasn't the most important meal of the day because either सब कुछ करते करते it was already brunch time, so breakfast हमेशा skip हो जाता था. Or if I had to go out somewhere, I was always so late and rushing. Breakfast was never happening. So breakfast. I never made my bed before this, but अभी मैंने सोचा कि यार blob zone का एक और important चीज़ है कि अगर तुम अपना bed नहीं बनाते हो तो you will be sleeping in your kambal all day. So even if you're sitting on your bed, once you make it, you're not sleeping in it. You're just sitting on it. There's a difference, you know. So make your bed. Do it, guys, if you don't already, and if you do, good, very good. I'm proud of you.
Look at me, ऐसे preach कर रही हूँ मैं, 1 महीने किया नहीं है. Anyway, next.
Me time यार, me time बहुत ज़रूरी है because now that I have gotten an idea of what it's like having time to myself, a calm time when I can hear the birds chirping, I can see a blue sky, I can see butterflies in my garden. It's amazing. And अब जब नहीं होता है तो मैं बहुत मिस करती हूँ उसको. So that is another huge motivator.
Look at this one, spread out on like more than half the bed. And here's me squished on one corner.
Good morning. Ow.
Here we are again, another cat taking up majority of the space with me on one corner. Guys, I have never seen anything like this before. But that cat head you see is actually a papa bill. And there is also Mama Bill Piche who's feeding the kittens. And this guy guards his babies here. And it is the sweetest thing ever. Boyfriend goals right there. There's Papa Bear. I don't know if you can hear the kittens, but Papa Bear guards the kids. Mama is chilling here with me. She's fully enjoying having a cooperative, involved husband. That's convenient.
Low budget set. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section down below stuff you do to keep your brain sane. And yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. यार अभी बजे हैं, अभी लंच टाइम भी नहीं हुआ है ब्रो. मैंने कितना कुछ कर लिया है. मेरे को ऐसे ना accomplished फील होता है बहुत. I love it. I love long days. I love days when I can do stuff. But with that said, कल मैं पूरे दिन सोई थी और मैं उठी थी 2 बजे actually. So I'm not here to preach कि मैं बहुत perfect हूँ, but it's just helped me a little bit, a lot actually. So yeah, let me know if you incorporate any of this stuff in your daily routine and if it helps you out. And I'll see you next time.